Brandon, I think some of the most important advancements in manufacturing from a digital technology standpoint, one, everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, and I think in November 2022, when that first chatbot was made available to everyone, I think that actually kicked off an arms race in terms of how to utilize that technology to close the gap on knowledge transfer and intellectual capital that was leaving with the generational change in the workforce. The other two areas I would say are the availability of analytics to gather insights at a much faster pace. And the last one I would say is the use of process control to operate within the control limits and drive the window for operating margin narrower and narrower to make more consistent product. Engage, engage, engage. People are still fundamental and at the root of the entire manufacturing digital transformation, both from the consumer side, right? The whole goal of what we're trying to do is create value for the consumer and so that their experience is consistent with our performance is consistent with their expectations. But then in our sites, in our plants, and in our businesses, really the reliance on people with different skill sets so that we free up their capability for innovation, for growth, right? And for managing non-standard events that are outside the controls of the models that we set up. So people are still fundamental and instrumental to the advancement of manufacturing. You have to engage them and keep them close and develop them so that as we're making these investments, we can't forget about the most important investment, which is the investment in our people. This is great. I've had some tremendous conversations so far. I think just building off of each other and talking about how one line of thought builds on another, leaving here with some lines of communication and to establish some more in-depth conversations, and really it's really inspiring to be around like-minded folks and really look at what's the art of the possible and what we can all do if we're challenging each other, heading in the right direction, and then inspiring each other or motivating each other to do more. And that's that competition piece. So I love it.